Ask any woman who has ever experienced UTI that how distressing it can be. The pain while passing urine, frequent desire to urinate, foul smell in the urine, even blood in the urine. UTIs are very common, affecting 1 in 2 women at some point in their lifetimes. They can also become recurrent in 1 in 4 women. Not only UTIs are uncomfortable, but they can have serious consequences like kidney damage in case the UTI becomes recurrent. UTIs can happen post-sexual contact, unhygienic conditions, or in case someone is suffering from diabetes or kidney stones. So nowadays we have home-based urine test kits which could tell you if you could be suffering from UTI. These test kits detect the presence of nitrites or leukocytes in the urine. If both of these are present, it is quite likely that UTI is present, and now you must seek early confirmation and treatment from your doctor. So how to do this test? Simply collect the urine sample in a clean container. Dip the test strip in the urine sample for 2 seconds. Remove the test strip. Wait for 2 minutes to read the test as per the instructions given on the leaflet. Any degree of purple on the top test pad or any degree of pink in the lower test pad could suggest UTI. So the bottom line is, detect UTI early, treat UTI early, never ignore UTI.